Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have with us the new Vapor Smartwatch by Misfit. Now, Misfit is quite popular as a fitness-centric brand, fitness trackers. This smartwatch was announced way back in 2017. The watch is compatible with both iOS and Android. All you need to do is download the Android Wear app from the App Store and you're all good to go. The watch comes with a rechargeable battery, obviously, and access to Google Play Store and interchangeable bands. Now, when this watch was first announced, it was supposed to have standalone GPS, but due to some serious cost cutting, they have sent it with only connected GPS. So you need to have your phone along with you to get location access. Getting inside the box, first we have the warranty information. Nobody ever looks what's inside anyways, so I'm just gonna keep it aside for now. This is a very smart and handy carrying pouch. It's made of a very soft material. You can carry your watch inside when you're traveling perhaps. Next up is the silicone band. There's already a lot of dust. I think this will be a dust magnet. It's very easy to take off and put it back again. Removing the plastic, and this is the watch. We'll be doing a physical overview very soon. This appears to be totally out of charge. That reminds me, where's the charger? There it is. There are 4 charging pins which need to be aligned at the back of the watch, and it's powered by USB, and there's a small magnet inside which helps you in aligning the watch perfectly. Let's put it to charge and we'll continue this when we have some juice. Fast forwarding. Let's get a quick overview of the device. At the back you can see the heart rate sensor, and the small recession at the bottom is used to guide the watch perfectly with the charging pins. There is the barometer port. This is the power button. Here's the microphone. This watch does work with Google Assistant. Going into the menu, we can scroll using the touch sensitive bezel. It's not as intuitive as the Gear S3s, but look at the price point. Swipe left to go back. And let's take a look at the Android version. So this watch comes with Android Wear 2.9. In order to change the watch faces, all you need to do is swipe left or right. You can cover the screen with your palm to turn off the display.